What's going on, folks? I'm going to show you how you be changing out your cabin air filter on a Jeep Grand Cherokee from about the 2021 to the 2026. First thing you want to do is just open up your glove box just like that. Then you just kind of want to just push up in the top of your glove box. It'll pop down like that. Then you just kind of want to pull it to the side like that. There'll be like a little connector right here that's holding your glove box on. You don't need to take that loose if you don't want to. So you can just kind of lean it to the side like that. Then if you look up inside of here, right in here is where your cabin air filter is at. I don't know if you can see that right in here. So to remove that, let me show you a little closer. So to remove that, all you gotta do, you'll see this two pieces right here. All you want to do is squeeze those two pieces together. And when you squeeze those two pieces together, you just kind of want to take your other finger pretty much behind it and pull it out just like that. And once you do that, you'll have access to your cabin air filter, which is what this is right here. The reason you want to change this out because what this does is filter out like a lot of dust and debris and stuff like that can get sucked into your system. And if you let that get really dirty, what'll happen is you won't have high air pressure blowing through your vents when you turn on your heat or your AC, as well as sometimes when you turn it on, you can actually have like dust particles and all that can actually blow into your cabin. But anyways, to change that out, once you took it out, you just want to kind of pull it out just like that. And then when you get your new one, this is what this one is. You want to look at it, make sure it looks clean. If it looks dirty, go ahead and replace it. Then when you put your new one in, you kind of want to look at the arrows that's on it. You see on this one right here, where the arrow's facing down. So when you get your new one, you want to make sure that the arrow is facing the exact same way which your old one was. Then all you got to do pretty much is just, so once you get your new one, you just want to stick it back into your opening just like that to make sure it's nice and secure back in there. Then all you got to do now is just take your door cover. You can look inside of here. This side over here just kind of just slides in like a little, just like that. Then you just want to pop the other end just like that and you'll be done. Then once you're done with that, all you got to do now is just take your box kind of gently. You don't want to put too much pressure on that cord over there. Look at the little openings you have on the back of your box. You have like these little hooks on the back of it. And you can see right here, these little hooks right here. You're just taking them and you're just sticking them on these pieces right here. It's pretty simple. Just kind of pop it on there like that, then push it up like that, and pretty much you'll be done. Alright folks, once again, this is how you be changing out your cabin air filter on a Jeep Grand Cherokee from probably about the 2021 to the 2026. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.